Hey guys, it's Miranda, and I want to share with you this floor register by GreenVent. Now this product is super sturdy and really well made, and I love that it comes also with this cover trap, so if anything does fall through the cracks, it will easily get trapped in this. I also wanted to show you how it's packaged. I like that it has this sturdy box, as well as each vent is sealed so you know it's nice and protected. Now here the product is fully opened, and I love that it comes with instructions so you know exactly what to do. And I'm going to go ahead and install the cover trap so you can see just how it fits. And once you have that installed, you can carefully drop the new register straight into the floor. Now to properly show the airflow function, I've removed the cover trap so you can see here I have the airflow open, but you can easily close it so that no air comes through the vent. I also wanted to highlight that there are two directions for the airflow to go, so it can help distribute the air throughout the room evenly. Now, I also wanted to remind you to make sure you measure the underside. This one is meant to fit a 4 by 10 inch duct opening. So you want to measure the underside and not the top. But if you're looking for your next floor register, definitely give these a try.